Okay, so once done, just to sort things out, we create folder here. Let's call it ISO files. Okay, and then let's go and get our files. Okay, so both files are here. So the first one is around like 5.5 gigabytes, and the other one is the server one is around 5 gigabytes, just for reference. So now we need to open our VirtualBox. Okay, so let's go and click on new, and let's start by the server. Let's call it server 2022. Okay, the folder, the ISO image. Okay, so we need to keep the folder, and we need to go and bring our ISO image, okay, of the Windows server. Okay, so we can skip the unattended installation. So we need to be careful here. Windows 2022 needs at least let's give it 4 gigabytes. Let's give it 4 gigabytes of memory, and let's give it 2 cores of CPUs. Okay, and then hit next. Next, so for the disk, you can just keep it for 50, and then next, and then finish. So now we have our server installed. Well, similar to the server, we create the Windows client. So let's take, now let's call it Windows client. Okay, and then we need our ISO file. Okay, so you can skip unattended installation. Hit next. Oh, sorry. So just skip it. Let's give it 4 gigabytes of RAM and 2 CPUs. Hit OK. And keep 50 gigabytes. OK, and finish. So now we have created 2 machines in our virtual environment. So the first one is the server, and the second one is the Windows client. So first, let's launch the server and just check the server. So after that, after this step, we okay. So let's launch the server. After this step, we need to install the guest additions for both of them, and we need to update the server and the Windows machine or the Windows client. Okay, so let's complete the installation. So English, don't know. Here, make sure to install the desktop experience. Otherwise, you will have only you won't have the graphic user interface. So, okay, and then you need to accept the license, Microsoft Service. So just only advanced. Okay. Okay, they asked me to provide strong password. Let me do this. Something that I can. Okay. And then you can go here, keyboard, down. Okay, so once we are in, go to devices and insert guest addition. To verify this, we need to go to our file explorer and go to this PC, and you have to see the icon of the VirtualBox here. Okay, so and actually the role of guest additions are a set of device drivers and system applications. They are designed to optimize the performance of the machine. Okay, so now we have our server set it up. Okay, what we are going to do now, we are going to take snapshot. This is the first snapshot from the server side. Okay, so once done with the snapshot, we need to check for updates. So let's check for the updates, and we need to up-to-date our server and then shut it down and continue the installation of the Windows client. All right, so I keep it all night to finalize the updates, and I will do the same for the Windows client. What we are going to do with the Windows client, we will install the guest edition and also update the system. Continue, install the Windows now. In this page, just click on domain, domain. Let's say password. So all these, you don't need it actually, so you can just turn it off. And we need to add the guest addition or insert the guest addition image. Just click on it and you can verify it by going to this PC. Okay, so before updating the machine, we can go to and add some icons on the desktop. So we need to go to personalize and then go to themes, and then you go to the desktop icon settings and add, let's say, computer and network. We're going to use it, and that's it. Okay, so we apply, and okay, and then let's hit up and I'm sorry, and add the updates. Check for updates. Check for updates and update the machine, and that's it. All right, so after the update of this machine, we need to take snapshot, including the installation, guest additions, and the update. In the server side, I had two snapshots, one for the installation and the guest additions, and another one after updating the server. So that's fine to take one snapshot there. Yeah. Installation uh, plus, say, just additions and updated. Okay, and we'll call it this way. So we take snapshot, and now my machines are ready to go.